DJ Minox, how y'all doing? Let's see here. Today we're playing some gun battle with Trip 1119 and McHouston 3700, or game difficulty, however you want to call him.
Let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started. Everybody, we're starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Make sure you're talking.
Alright. We're starting up here.
Seriously? Oh, that right there's a zombie. Well, I'll just make sure I'm just gonna make sure it's dead soon, so there. Gotta turn my sound down a little, that's pretty loud. Yeah, that's fine. I don't know where anyone else is, but here's a nice little boxing ring with a watchtower in it.
Alright guys, so the point is to try and kill everyone else, but they'll just respawn in the first place. So it's kind of counterproductive, just wasting your ammo, but it's supposed to be fun, and it is.
So Jake, that's a good word.
Darn it. I should have had my guns loaded.
Is he shooting at someone in particular? Ooh, that sure sounded a bit close to me, didn't it?
Ouch, the fall damage.
Oh! 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 Oh!
You're still dead.
Where is he? Help! Help me!
Where'd they all go? I was trailing McHouston, but, well, I don't know where he went. I should have ran after him right away. Hoping he'd turn around when I threw that grenade at him. McHouston, where are you?
Running for my life.
Woohoo! Where, though? McHouston, where'd you die?
Someone on this map.
Well, that's kind of obvious. That's a Simtex. I don't know where he just went. Really? He's under the ice. Better be hurting. No gas grenades this time. They were kind of annoying.
Oh! You can hit me from under here.
That's a lot of grenades about to blow up. Oh! But if it blows me up with them, they're not that useful, are they? Darn nibbit you. Snibbit gibbet.
Oh!
Ha ha! It's sticking on you now, son. I don't know where he went. Dun 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 dun. Is he above? Where'd you go, McHouston?
Why don't you just kill him?
Well, that didn't work. The poop.
Yeah.
We're back with Johnny
Sniping,
Apples.
guys. Don't worry. The nuisance is dead.
Darn it. Always should be loaded when you're about to go into battle. No, we're being attacked. I believe that I am being attacked from Trip 1119 as well as McHouston.
As you can see, we're all very happy here on the battlefield.
Not exactly sure where Trip 1119 is, but he's somewhere out there. That could be him, maybe.
We have no clue where he is. Is he around here? No, he's up. Start the pony races. Oh, someone's behind me trying to shoot. Well, if they're trying to hit me, they have a really bad aim.
I'm not doing good this time, y'all.
There goes Trip. Callan. Oh! What was that? What is that?
Oh, nice kill.
Yep, that is a kill. Now let's see if we can get Jake. McHouston. Where is he?
Probably not gonna tell you.
Little coward running.
You be running. You be surviving. Sorry for that.
But for how long?
Probably really, like, gave you, like, brain damage. If I'd be running, I'd be surviving.
Because pigs are mean.
Did you just murder pigs?
Well, I think I just
Isn't
got
that
shot at.
against the law? So you've been trying to track me while someone's been tracking us this whole time. Am I right, Lorraine?
McHouston, you are staying in the boundaries, right?
Yep.
Where are you? Tell me. Are you near the beach base or the swamp base?
Am I near the boat base?
What gun is that?
P90, baby.
Oh, that's why you can hold down that trigger like that. Because that banana thing is going fast.
It is. That's why I gave you so much ammo with it. McHouston, where are you? Are you building a secret base somewhere?
Not this time. No.
I don't believe you.
You should. Because if you're trying to find me, it would be a waste of your time.
You're not building a secret base over here, so.
Is that a zombie? It's a zombie.
Where are y'all?
Really? Yeah, I'm killing the zombie! Well, I'm killing the zombie!
Come get some if you want some.
Rugaflord! That sounded really insecure.
Let's get a pistol kill.
USP. USPP. Oh. Ow! Underwater! I'm trying to adjust my mic. You can kill me, but it won't take any skill. Oh! Yes! Push me to shore!
The banana, you gotta be careful. Because it don't got much ammo. Wait, that's a squid. So, where's the non-squid? Where's the little non-squid? Looks like he's in the house. He's in the house. So, screen cheating's okay when you're okay with it.
I'm not okay with it.
Ow! Not hurt.
Stay away.
Oh, no. I'm eating my steak. It's my steak.
I'm lagging.
You better be dead.
Oh, Lagamification.
Lag.
Tell me where you are.
Edumacation. We're on the little island off the shore.
No, you aren't.
I have to tree jump because there's zombies all over me.
Where'd you go now, McHouston?
Oh, shoot.
Man, that really smoked up the building. Where are you, McHouston? I can hear you eating. What the? Where's a door? Where is there a door? Don't kill me, I'm trying to take care of unwanteds. Never mind, you can kill me now. Where are you?
Colin, stop!
I'm sorry.
It keeps trying to screen sheet on me, and it's working.
And it's working. Ah! Uh-oh, I better run.
Bye, y'all!
Are you still up there? Ow! What the? Where are you at now? Is that you?
Trick for the win!
I can't even see none one. Oh, there he is.
Damn, zombie!
P90 time.
Out of ammo, seriously? Now?
Jake, are you dead? No.
I was taking them out.
Ah! That hurt!
Yes, that I got him, baby. That's why you use a sniper. see if you can reload. You're already back over there?
Jake, please!
Darn it. Can you get a clear shot on him this time?
Dang it! What was that?
Sniper.
My sniper's so loud.
I only have 3 more bullets in my sniper.
Real? How much have you used the sniper?
A lot.
You haven't been using it very well, have you?
I'm using it really well. Almost every time I try to hit someone.
Oh. Okay. Darn. I tell you how much heart's left. I would have said it out loud, but then they would know. So I'm not gonna say it. But of course, they know where he knows where I am.
Alright,
and if
guys.
I move out
sorry
here,
I've been doing much commentary. It's been really
So I
hard
gotta-
too because everybody's killing me and screen cheating.
Down, 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 down. Weirdo here. Do 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 do.
So I'm
Down,
trying
down, 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 down. That's the sound of reloading. Don't tell me he's running from me, little coward. Coward.
You said it like so many times now, it's starting to sound like me.
Oh!
That doesn't make sense.
That
does it?
hurt. I'll have to hide under here where he can't see me.
Is this you?
What?
No.
That gave you a nice scare.
I'm dead now! That sounds kind of funny. Dum 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 now snipper rainbow snipper bam bam.
What?
The snipper got the good aim. I like it you with your arm. Bam, you dead.
I think your people are so mad at you. Like, shut up.
What people? Exactly.
Me.
Jake, where are you? Jake, you know it's boring for your watchers.
I'm going out into the open.
I can imagine.
Alright, I'm in the
It's gonna
swamp
become
area.
Such a competition between you two. Like I am.
Where are you, McHouston? Darn gibbets. Really? You're using sniper that close up?
Yep, no scoping.
Uh-oh. 3 ammo left.
Guys, where's this fight?
Swamp base.
Aha.
Well, what the poo? You're invisible almost. What is up with my aiming? Gosh.
Have a heart.
That's right.
Can I reset my
Alan.
sniper ammo?
No.
Someone's behind you.
Are they? A zombie? I'm not scared of those. I'm not scared of you either, but... You're obviously not behind me.
Sorry I've been done so much. Today is not my day.
You just kept shooting even though I was dead.
No, I didn't.
Make sure to subscribe to my other friend's channel.
At capital C, capital J, MINEOCT.
If you could hear that, yeah.
Make sure to just subscribe at my best bro gamedifficultyhard channel. This is his first video. He's taping this one too. I'm gonna get one more kill, everyone, and then I'm done.
With this video.
Talon, how many kills do you have?
A lot.
Alright, I'm by
Trying to snap someone as they come along. Just a little, maybe. don't know where you are now, but you're somewhere. Somewhere over the rainbow!
That was so loud.
That's right. Banana gun.
Wait, who killed me?
Jake did. What? Oh no! Oh no! He came off in the darkness of the trees. No! He knows I'm here. But he don't know I'm behind him, do we? Baby running. Wait, what? I thought you were dead.
Killed someone.
Alright, that's all for today, folks.
Yep, see you next time.